Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Here we are with another install and review, and this time it's going to be these headlight bulbs from Lighting Trends. Now on my Challenger, I've got the, just the basic halogen lights. Nothing special, look kind of ugly if you ask me, so I figured now was a good time to change them up. At the same time, I wanted to look into getting the, quote unquote demonized, right? So just where the bulb just turns red, just to go sort of with the theme of the car. And looking to do some research, I did notice that Lighting Trends does have a bulb that acts as a just their standard headlight and then turns into RGB light. So it's got red, green, blue, just the basic colors on it. So I figured why not, I pull the trigger, and lo and behold, a couple days later, this showed up on my doorstep. So this is the packaging that it comes with. Obviously I just took the lid out. It was just a simple white lid, nothing crazy, but comes like this. So this is a Bluetooth setup. So it's got the bulb and then it's got a Bluetooth control on it. So I did want to go the Bluetooth way. I didn't want to use one of those little controllers or whatever. I wanted it to be actually controlled by my phone. So as far as the unboxing, this is pretty much what it comes with. So if you look here, so this is going to be one of the bulbs. So looks cool. And then obviously it's got the plug-in place. So I'm going to show you how to wire all this kind of stuff up. It's pretty simple, nothing crazy. Obviously you just got to hook this up to the light, and then this goes to the Bluetooth controller, and then from the Bluetooth controller goes to the power cell. So check that out. So that's one of the headlights. And I'm assuming this is the other headlight. So in this box should be the Bluetooth controller. Looks like give you some zip ties and then some, looks like some Velcro and some 3M. So here it looks like we have got the instructions. Again, pretty simple. Again, battery, Bluetooth, and then the two bulbs. So I'm going to show you guys how to wire it up, but again, I'm pretty excited. But yeah, that's the unboxing of it though. So, and again, this is the Bluetooth controller right here. So pretty simple. This goes to one of these, power, and then this will be nicely tucked away in the car. All right, I'm going to go ahead and pop the hood and start getting the area ready for this install. So very simple, guys. You're just going to want to pop up these plastic pieces. Here's the other one. The other one. All right, guys, here we are on the passenger side. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna reach right behind. Here's the headlight. There's a little cap right here. You're just gonna go ahead and twist. Comes off. Okay, so there is the cap. And then to get the bulb, you're just gonna reach in there. You're gonna feel the bulb. You're just gonna turn it down, and then it should pop right off. All right, guys, so I got the bulb out. There isn't too much slack on here, so I can't really pull too much on it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pull this bulb out and then continue on with the install. All right, guys, now that we have our cap off, here is the deal. Because this headlight system uses the cap to sort of keep out the water and condensation, what you're gonna have to do in order to run this Bluetooth cable out of it, you're gonna have to drill a small hole in the middle of it, and then that way you can kind of pass through this Bluetooth wire. The ballast and everything that it comes with the headlight, that can all be tucked inside the headlight casing itself. That'll be fine. All right, guys, so I got my hole made. I'm gonna go ahead and put some silicone around it, pass the wire through. So this is what you got so far, right? You guys can see. Then all you're going to do is you're going to take the harness from the headlight, plug it in. Okay, that's good. Ballast, so the headlight, ballast, everything, you can kind of sort of tuck in the housing of the headlight. Just go ahead and plug that in. Again, once you put it in, you're going to turn it up, turn it like this way, and then it should lock in place. All right, got everything in place. Got the cap inside, good, nice and sealed. Got some silicone in there, so we're good. And now I'm going to go ahead and do the other side, so I'm not going to record that. You guys already know how to do it. And then after that, we're going to go ahead and wire in the Bluetooth controller, and we should be good to go. Alright, so we have the driver side complete. All you're going to do now is run your Bluetooth cable all the way through the front. Alright guys, we are at the last step now. It's going to be the Bluetooth controller. So we're going to go ahead and wire, give it some power. Now I already do have an inline fuse for the car, just for other things that I needed power with. So I'm going to go ahead and hook that up to my fuse, and then hook up the two ends to the each bulb, and we should see some action. So let's check it out. Alright guys, here is the final product. As you can see, that's not super bright, but obviously once it gets darker, or when it gets, obviously nighttime, it's going to be, pretty obvious, but I'm sure you can tell on the camera. Again, the great part about this light is it acts as, I guess a demon, I guess you can call it, and then just a regular bulb, which is kind of nice. So definitely a big upgrade compared to my halogen bulbs that I had before. Again, this is an LED light. I think it runs around 8,000 lumens, so it's pretty bright. So just go ahead and follow the steps on the app. It's pretty self-explanatory. The app's pretty nice. It's pretty simple. But if you look here, I've got it set, and then you could just change whatever color you want. Check that out. So I think it's set like 16 million colors, something kind of crazy like that. You could spin the wheel, whatever you want though, so it's pretty cool. And then again, it also serves as a functional just headlight, which is pretty cool. So definitely if you want the best of both worlds, this is definitely a good kit to get from Lighting Trends. So go ahead and check it out. So I usually gonna leave it with red, so goes with the sunset right here. So but yeah, that's it. That is the review on it, and then I'm going to show you a small little clip of the bulb itself. You see how bright it is at night, so go ahead, check it out. Alrighty guys, I appreciate it. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and we will see you on the next one.